Hey guys, and welcome to Blog Tip Tuesday, where I share helpful blog tips every single Tuesday. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to make money with the Amazon affiliate program, like $4,000 to $5,000 per month. Stay tuned so I can tell you guys all about it and everything not to do so you don't get kicked out of their program, which is pretty easy to do. And just so you guys know, I make the most money on my blog with affiliate marketing, and it is my absolute favorite way to make money online. Amazon Associates was the very first program where I made money with my blog, and I made a whopping 59 cents. And honestly, that was all the motivation I needed to say, okay, this blog thing can really work. Just to know that someone trusted what I said, clicked on my referral link, and made a purchase was everything. After that, I was hooked. And a year later, I made 6 figures with affiliate marketing. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with affiliate marketing, it is when you refer a product or service to someone using a unique referral link. If they make a purchase using your link, you earn a commission. Let me give you an example of how the Amazon affiliate program works. So say, for example, someone reads one of my articles. They click on a product I recommend from Amazon. Now, it's going to be my referral link, which I'm going to show you how to do it in a second. But it takes them to the Amazon website. If they make a purchase within 24 hours, I get a commission because I caused that reader to visit Amazon's website and they made a purchase. And do you know what I love most about Amazon's affiliate program? So say that reader said, oh yeah, let me buy some pots for Sally's open house coming up or whatever. I will also get a commission on those pots and anything else she buys. And if that reader doesn't even purchase the product I recommended, but still buys something else during their visit when they clicked on my link within 24 hours, I still earn a commission. And as many of you know, you can buy practically anything on Amazon. So the higher the price or the more things they buy, the more money I earn. This is Amazon's way of saying, thank you, partner. Here's a little kickback bringing people to my website and encouraging them to make a purchase. But they are not that generous because they offer one of the lowest commission rates out there. When the pandemic hit, they slashed their commission rates to almost nothing. Here is a chart of their current commission rates. Now they put products in categories, so think about some of the things that you would recommend to get a general idea about what your commission rate would be. Now I know the chart is pretty small, so I will put a copy in the description below so you can check it out after this video. Now when Amazon slashed their commission rates, many bloggers gave up on them, but I can't and I won't because each month, more than 197 million people visit Amazon. Of those people, 112 million people are Amazon Prime subscribers, which means that they can get most products in a day or two with free shipping. And it also means if they need to purchase something, they are most likely going to try and purchase it from Amazon because they can get it so quickly. I know because that's what I do. And even if you don't use Amazon, it doesn't matter. To make money, you need to think about what platform most people are going to buy from. Because you're not writing for yourself, you're writing for other people. So even though they have crazy low commission rates, you still can make a living off of this affiliate program alone because my good friend Debbie Gardner, she makes a consistent $4,000 to $5,000 per month with the Amazon commission. Now I'm going to discuss how to do that shortly, but let's first talk about how to actually apply for the Amazon affiliate program and a tip that most people don't know. So to first apply to Amazon's affiliate program, go to this link and I'll put it in the description below so you can just easily click on it. Now you want to go through the process of signing up. The one requirement that you need to have in order to apply to the Amazon Associates program is that you need to have a functional website. Now if you don't have a website, I'll link my step-by-step guide in the description below so you can check it out, follow it, create your website, and it is pretty easy to do. I really do have to tell you guys. Now when you are putting in your information, you want to make sure that you link both your website and all the social media accounts that you're going to use when you're promoting your Amazon links. This is very important. Once you're signed up, you are in the program for a trial period until you have 3 qualified sales. So qualified sales mean that you need to have at least 3 people purchase from one of your affiliate links within the first 180 days. So once you apply, the clock starts ticking. The race is on to get those people to purchase from your links. Now, if you don't get enough sales by 180 days, you will get rejected, but you can always apply again and try again. But let me tell you something. Trying to get your friends and family to click on your links and purchase from Amazon, it doesn't work. Trust me, I tried it. I have no idea how they know who your friends and family are, but they know. So don't even waste your time trying to go that route and trying to get those 3 qualified sales from people you actually know. They have to be from strangers. So once you officially get in the program, Amazon's going to ask you for your social security number for tax purposes. But I don't like giving my social security number out to anyone, and you shouldn't either. So to avoid this, if you live in the United States, you can apply for an EIN number, which is an employee identification number with the IRS, completely free, very easy to do. All you have to do is go to the irs.gov and click on, I'm going to show you guys right here. It's going to say apply for an employee ID number. Just click on that and go to the process, and they will auto-populate you your own unique employee identification number. Now, once you have that number, you want to use that for any and all affiliate programs that you start to apply to. Okay, so once you get in the program, even for your trial period, you're going to need to know how to get Amazon links to use on your posts. So let me go ahead and show you right now from my computer. Okay, so when you first join the Amazon Associates Affiliate Program, you want to download this tool called SiteStripe. Just go to Tools and then go to SiteStripe. Once you have it on your computer, and every time that you go to Amazon, you will now see something that looks like this. And this is what SiteStripe is. Now, this is one of the products that I want to recommend on my website. So I'm simply going to go, if I want to just get the text where someone would just click on the text, I'm going to show you. If I click on text, copy this link, put it in my blog article. Here's an example right here where I did that. I just click on it, and then it will automatically take me to Amazon. Now, the cookies are going to start tracking this. So if that user makes a purchase or puts anything else in their shopping cart, I'm going to get a commission for that because they are using my unique referral link. Same thing if I wanted to get an image, I can go right here to image. Again, the small version, medium, or large. I can copy that information right here and put it in my blog article, and it will appear there. Same thing if I wanted to get a text and image, I can do that as well. So these are your options, and this is how you can easily implement this into your blog articles. Okay. Now that you know how to apply and insert links into your articles, you need to make sure you don't make these mistakes so you won't get kicked out of the program. Now, the first thing you need to do is make sure that you're using proper disclosures. So whenever you use your Amazon affiliate links, you need to properly disclose that these are Amazon affiliate links. So I have a very helpful article I'm going to put in the description below, so you can easily just copy and paste the verbiage and put it in your blog post, so you will be remaining in compliance with Amazon. You can also get kicked out of the program if you use Amazon links in places other than your blog or social media accounts. So like your emails, ebooks, courses, closed Facebook groups. You have to have your links in a place that Amazon can actually crawl those links. And they can't do it in those places that I just mentioned. Now, you also can't share prices in your blog posts about the Amazon products that you're recommending. So the way that I get around this is by saying, and this product is so great, it's under $20 or something like that. I'm not saying what the price is, I'm just saying, the range, and that is acceptable. Okay, so now that you know how to apply, get your links, and what not to do, now here's the part where you can learn how to make money with Amazon. And it's all about having a strategy. So like I mentioned before, how my friend Debbie Gardner is making a consistent $4,000 to $5,000 per month in Amazon commissions. And it's all because of the types of articles she writes, the way she writes her articles using her Amazon links, and just her overall strategy to getting traffic to those articles. Now, for those of you who don't know who Debbie Gardner is, she is the one who taught me all about SEO through her ebooks. And that is how I now get over 200,000 page views per month and was able to make 6 figures the second year I started my blog. So now whenever she comes out with a new product, I purchase it. She created this ebook on revamping your old articles and how to revive them. I purchased that, and do you know what happened? My articles that were losing rankings in the search results, they went back up. So when she came out with another product about how she makes $4,000 to $5,000 per month with Amazon, I just got that, and that is why I'm doing this video. You know how you learn something new and you just want to share it with somebody who cares? Well, for me, that's you guys. And this new e-course she just created is going to be another game changer for me. And I know it could be the same thing for you guys. So in the ebook, she covers the types of articles that you should write if you want to drive sales to Amazon. Better ways to get that click, which is everything. They need to click on it to get to Amazon. Buyer intent, user intent. Hacks to use links in email and PDF legally, which for me is going to be a game changer because I'm focusing on email a lot more this year. Tips on holiday posts, how to get better conversions, how to use and analyze tracking IDs for more growth. Now, I had no idea how to do any of this stuff, but now I do, and that is why I'm sharing this with you guys. She gives a ton of her top tips in this book, and I know if you implement her strategies, you can have the same success that she is. and it's only $67. That's one of the things that I love about her, is that she doesn't charge an arm and a leg for stuff like this because she knows that most people can't afford it. And my whole mindset has just changed just about purchasing products and courses when someone told me, how are you going to expect someone to invest in a product that you're recommending if you can't even invest in yourself? So by continuing to invest in myself, I'm going to make more money. And if you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I don't recommend a lot of courses or anything like that because you can find a lot of information on the internet for free. And I'm only going to recommend things to you guys that is worth the money. And also remember, this is a tax write-off. So remember to keep all your receipts for anything you spend money on in regards to your blog. So I'm going to put her e-course in the description below so you guys can check it out. And I hope this video gave you something to think about. And if you use the Amazon affiliate program today, I'd love to know how it's working for you. Are you doing pretty well, or is this something that you want to make more money in? And if you don't, are you interested in using the Amazon affiliate program? Let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, I'd love it if you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe for more blog tips for this Blog Tip Tuesday series, and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on a video. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.